In this next lesson, we're going to take a quick look at what's called the filter gallery. You can open up Brianna.jpg, and we're going to go to filter, and we have what's called filter gallery. This is brand new. I'll simply open up the filter gallery. Now we have the image and the possible filter here. So I can apply the sprayed strokes, sumi, spatter. This looks cool. Ink outlines, dark strokes, accented edges, angled strokes, and crosshatch. Now if you don't like the brush strokes, I'll slide this over a little bit. You could always close this and open up artistic and say color pencil, cut out, dry brush, film grain, fresco, neon, paint daubs, palette knife, plastic wrap, and for each one that I click on, there's a certain amount of options that you can choose from as far as detail, smoothness, and it's different for each filter. Rough pastel, smudge stick, watercolor, underpainting, and sponge. I can close out artistic and open up distort. If I choose diffuse glow, control the graininess, the glow amount, and the clear amount. Ocean ripple. I can close distort and go to sketch, bas relief, charcoal, chrome, Conte crayon, graphic pen, halftone pattern. And by the way, if you're wondering about how to get this red, let me just expand this out a little bit. The way you can get this red is based off your foreground color. If I were to change my foreground color here to, let's say, blue or something else, then the tone would be blue. So beware, some of the filters are also based off the foreground color that you presently have. So if you're confused as to how to change that color, just change your foreground color. Note paper, photocopy, plaster, reticulation, stamp, torn edges, water paper, and we can close out sketch and go to stylize and choose glowing edges, or we can choose craquelure as a texture, grain, mosaic, texturizer, stained glass, and patchwork. So this is the filter gallery. Now what's nice about the filter gallery, it just allows me to preview one or the other, but I can't combo them. In other words, like I can't do mosaic and then on top of it do texturizer. See, I can't do that from the filter gallery. But if I were to go to filter and run noise and then come back and do a motion blur, you see it combos the noise and motion blur together. Filters are amazing. I mean, by combo them, when you combo them, you can do just about anything. So in the next lesson, we're going to work with blur and sharpen, which are in the filters.